Hi, my name is Chris Gardner with AID Commercial Tire. Today I'd like to talk with you on the Hiyu Group. We've all heard the horror stories of Chinese-built tires in the last 10 or 5 years. But today things have changed in a big way. With the world's leading tire companies all having factories in China and the dozens of years of OEM creations, China's manufacturing level has now reached #1 in the world. This was brought on by the implementation of internationally recognized equipment to ensure product quality and process stability. With the price of commercial tires at an all-time high, AID set out to find a quality tire at an economical price for our own fleet of trucks. After many months of research and personal trips to China, we did just that with the Hiyu Group. As you'll see in the video, every tire is hand-inspected, x-rayed, and dynamic balanced for AID. In addition, AID has a full-time employee on the ground in China. We were so impressed with the Hiyu Group that a deal was struck for East Coast distributorship with a warranty unmatched by any other in the industry. If we can help you with any of your tire needs, don't hesitate to give us a call at 843-845-1095. Thank you.
Shandong Hiyu Rubber Company Limited is established in June 2009, located in Guangzhou County, which is the tire industry base of China. Hiyu is specialized in all-steel radial tires. About 1,000 people work in the factory. The annual capacity is 1.2 million sets of heavy load and mining truck tires. Nowadays, the tires have been sold in 30 provinces of China and about 50 countries or areas around the world. And our company has got ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, ISO TS 16949 certificate. The reasons of overcapacity in tire industry are low technology, lack of research and development ability, and the bad competition of low-end products market. In the face of the new economic situation, Hiyu seizes the opportunity, puts forward challenge international brand, win glory for Chinese tire, relying on independent technology to develop the international high-end products, to create famous national brand, and strive to become the leader in tire area. In 2011, Hiyu was listed as the key enterprise of radial tire industry base of Guangzhou and became the exclusivity partner of CCTV. Hiyu regards quality and honesty as life. We all staff will provide superior products and thoughtful service for all new and old customers. Welcome to visit and build long-time stable business.